So this is a nice thing. This is an 80 centimetre wide ceramic induction hob. They're famous for being very, very fast, and you've got boost settings on all the zones. But I think what's worth dwelling on is the fact that they're also extremely controllable. So when you first turn it on, you can select a zone, and you've got up to sort of 17 power levels and things like that, easily selectable, and then you can just hit boost and it will bring stuff to the boil really efficiently and very fast. But in its standard mode, using the standard levels, you can almost melt chocolate in a pan and it won't burn and won't catch because it's so controllable at the lower end of its temperature spectrum as well, which is very good. You've got a very large burner in the middle here, which you would call your fastest burner for big pans. Obviously things like flat bottom woks would be useful as well and things like that. And you've got a smaller burner here when you want to do delicate sauces and things like that and you want the widest range of lower powers. Also these two, even though this is a 5 zone, what we'd loosely call a domino, these two can be bridged across quite easily. You just press that and it joins the two together. And so if you're using a sort of rectangular grill pan or a teppanyaki or something like that, you can use that. Very useful for parties and Sunday mornings and whatever you're going to use it for, selection of steaks and things like that. All inductions are ridiculously easy to clean and things like that, and it can even be power managed. So even though it's a high power product, if you're putting it in a temporary situation, you can turn the power right down and use it with a 13 amp plug if you need to, but that takes special setting up. There you go.